Hello everyone, welcome back. I just thought I would hop on here very quickly and tell you guys about this really awesome deal that I have going on right now. It is specifically for my social media outlets, so YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. If you order from any one of those three outlets from me, you can get all 7 of these gorgeous, springy inspired glitter mixes from me for only $10. It's actually just over $16 is its value, but you'll get it for $10. $12 shipped anywhere in the US. That is an awesome deal, and just look at how pretty and luscious they are. They are amazing. You get 7 of these gorgeousness. They're just so beautiful. So, oh, and by the way, if you would like to see what I have on my nails right here, you can click the card above and actually see me do this set in my previous video. That's when I did the acrylics outside. And that little gem right there is also available for sale. I will leave a link down below. But yeah, the beautiful mixes that I have here available in this pack are Sunrise, Spring Sky, Over the Rainbow. I absolutely love this one. Citrus Delight, and my husband actually made this mix. A new one, this is April Showers. It's way more hollow than it looks on camera. This is Lily Pad. This is an oldie that is back. This is Berries and Cream. Look at that hollow. Yeah, so you get all of these beautiful mixes. There's 7 altogether, and you get them for only $12 shipped. That is over $16 retail, and you're getting all of them for $12 shipped. That is such a good deal. So if you're interested in this glitter pack, just drop me a message and be PayPal ready, and I will get these out to you right away. It will be shipped USPS with a tracking number so you can track your order, and you will get it in a timely fashion. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you. Please like and subscribe and all that good stuff, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.